A newly released combat video from the Russian Ministry of Defense is drawing fresh attention. Drone footage shows a precision strike hitting a concealed building in Oleksiievo-Druzhkivka, near Kostiantynivka in eastern Ukraine. According to Russia, the target was a Ukrainian UAV command post. The strike appears to level much of the structure. Follow-up drone footage then shows the aftermath as personnel move through the rubble. However, there is currently no independent verification confirming that the building was, in fact, a drone command center. If Russia's claim is accurate, the strike reflects a broader trend in modern warfare. Destroying the operators behind unmanned systems can be just as important as destroying the drones themselves. But this is where careful analysis matters. The available footage confirms that a building was struck. It does not independently confirm the building's military role. In any conflict, battlefield footage should always be examined alongside multiple sources before firm conclusions are reached. Now it's your turn. Do you believe this strike successfully hit a Ukrainian drone command post, or is more evidence still needed? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy balanced military analysis backed by open source information, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support the channel. Disclaimer: this video is based on publicly available information and official statements released by parties involved in the conflict. Some claims have not been independently verified. The purpose of this content is to inform and analyze current developments, not to promote or endorse any side in the conflict.